Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Skincare Saturday, Skincare 101 series. Today we are going to be talking about introducing new products into your skincare routine. I have a few new products in front of me. Some I have used, some I haven't used, some we're going to use today, some I plan on using in the future, one of which I'm actually trying tomorrow. But I really wanted to talk about the proper way to introduce new products or new ingredients into your skincare routine. So before we dive in, let's talk about so here's how we're gonna do this. Yes, I drink coffee at night. Don't judge me. You know it's night when my hair is in my little towel because I only shower at night and I only wash my hair at night because my hair is a pain in the butt and I like to let it like towel dry and then I braid it and I go to sleep with it. But we're getting off track. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna talk about a few new brands. Well, they might not be new to you, but they're new to me. A few brands I've known about but haven't used. A few brands I have used, but products that are new to my lineup. And then we're just gonna talk about it as we go. So the first new thing we are gonna try. This is by the Whole Foods brand. Was that Whole Foods? And I saw their beauty aisle and I was like, ooh, let me try new things. So the first thing we have here is an avocado soothing sheet mask. I already use, like a lot of my products already have avocado, like oil and whatnot. Plus I eat a lot of avocados. Plus I've also made homemade masks with avocados, so I know I'm good. Then we have a brightening eye mask that has hyaluronic acid, wine extract, and hemp seed oil, all of which I have put on my face before, so I'm not worried about it. Then we have a rejuvenating eye mask with hyaluronic acid, pumpkin fruit extract, and hemp seed. Tonight we are using the brightening. Looks like I could use a little brightening. I have already cleansed my face. I haven't gone in with anything else. Oh, you know, it's been a minute since I've used an eye mask. But I don't recall them being this large. And even the picture shows that it goes on like this. Huh. Well, guys, it's gonna brighten all right. It's gonna brighten our entire cheek, apparently. I really don't like how large this is. This is the first time I'm ever using a matte. You know what? We're gonna, oh, okay. That's a little more the consistency I was used to. I was kind of concerned there for a second. I was like, look, guys. I don't know what's going on. I'm not used to the sheet mask for the eyes. I'm used to like gels. I was kind of concerned there for a moment. And then on top of that, it was moving. Now this is adhering very nicely to the skin. A lot better than I'm used to, I must say. I don't like how big it is though, because I was planning on using a sheet mask on top of it, like I do when I use eye mask. We're gonna multitask tonight, guys. Ew. Jeez, drippy. Okay. Dry our hands off. Now, I just took that down. We've seen that on my channel before. Now, let's talk about introducing new products into your skincare routine. Okay, so a sheet mask, eye mask, they tend to have pretty much the same ingredients in them. So just make sure you're reading through the ingredients. Make sure that you know what your skin can handle. When it comes to like brightening sheet mask, most of the time it's vitamin C, glycerin, hyaluronic acid, hydrating but brightening ingredients. Now, what I would definitely pay attention to, especially when you are using other actives or you are using other products in your skincare that could react, I would definitely pay attention to masks that are targeted towards like anti-aging and breakouts, clarifying, purifying, those words. Pay attention to the ingredients in them. Now, there is something called purging. That is when we'll say you introduce glycolic acid into your skincare. A day or two down the road, your skin does feel kind of dry, you're getting some breakouts. That's normal. Your skin is purging. It's glycolic acid is getting in, it's getting absorbed into your skin, and it's purging out all of the bad. So that's not necessarily a bad thing. Now, one thing to look out for is sometimes it's not your skin, sometimes it's the product. Now, I've been using glycolic acid, I've been using a glycolic acid serum, I've been using a glycolic acid cleanser. I have products that have glycolic acid in it. A lot of my masks have glycolic acid in it. So I've built up a tolerance to glycolic acid. Now, is it something I would use every single night? No. Don't want to over exfoliate my face, because glycolic acid is essentially exfoliating acid. I purchased a product. I put it on my face. Within 30 seconds, it was like I had stuck my face in molten lava. I was red. I literally just now, I haven't been filming because my skin was in that bad of a state. I was getting breakouts. My skin was very red. It had a lot of texture on it. It was itchy. It felt tight. It was super, super sensitive to not only sunlight, but heat. Like, I would go outside, and no joke, I'd be outside for maybe 5, maybe 10 minutes, and I would come in, and I would look like a fire truck. And it wasn't even that hot outside. It was like 70-something degrees. So, and this is what the product is. It's not necessarily the brand's fault. It's Whole Foods' fault. Because the brand pulled the product because of the exact reaction I had. Multiple customers who purchased the product had this experience. The brand pulled the product from the shelves. Whole Foods was supposed to pull the product from the shelf. Guess what Whole Foods didn't do? They didn't pull the product from the shelf. That was the Acure Resurfacing Intergalactic Flash Mask. Can you guess what it is? It's glycolic acid, it's lactic acid, and it assaulted the living daylights out of my face. I don't even know why I have it anymore. I've used it one time. I'm traumatized. Never using it again. I was actually told to throw it away by the company. So, which leads me into some new products that we have. Now, we have the Derma E Anti-Wrinkle Cleanser. This has vitamin A and glycolic acid. I use this morning and night, and I love it. Like, I love it. It doesn't strip my face. It has vitamin A, glycolic acid, papaya. My face doesn't feel stripped. Has a lot of coconut derived ingredients. It does have a retinol in it, vitamin A. Vitamin A, retinol usually go hand in hand. But it cleanses my face without stripping my face. It is recyclable packaging, gluten-free, soy-free, 100% vegan, cruelty-free, GMO-free, all that good stuff. Eco-ethical. Little leaf stamp. I love it. I have not had a bad reaction to it, but as with almost every single product I get, I give it a few days before I introduce another product, especially if it's another active. So for example, I bought this on a Tuesday. I introduced this on a Tuesday, but this is the Pixie Hydrating Milky Mist. It has hyaluronic acid. Let's see, what all does it have in it? Provitamin A, vitamins B1, 2, and 6 that are found with oats. It's hydrating and it's soothing. I actually bought this because of this, because I needed something to spray on my face throughout the day and not make me feel like my face was burning off. So anything with like hyaluronic acid, anything with oat in it is going to soothe and hydrate. Hyaluronic acid pulls moisture, so I use this as a toner, and then I go in with my serums. Now, what I did, so I will say I started this on a Tuesday. On a Sunday, I started using this. This is the Pixie Overnight Glow Serum. It is glycolic acid. I want to say it was like 5%. It doesn't even tell you on the bottle. It told me in the package. But 2 drops, and I just gently tap it on my skin, avoiding the eye area. Always avoid the eye area. And then after that, I have not introduced any other new products, just to make sure that my face is healing properly and it's not getting more irritated. Now, what we are introducing is we got a few new things, okay guys, a few new things. So when I reached out to Acure, they did say, sorry you had this reaction, blah, 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 blah. What product can we interest you in as a replacement? Now, originally, I was looking for a new vitamin C serum, so naturally I hopped on their website, looked around, and I saw they had this. This is the Brightening Vitamin C and Ferulic Acid Oil-Free Serum. Vitamin C, ferulic, pineapple, matcha. I haven't even opened this yet, guys. I know that this is their new line. The Brightening is their newer line. It comes in a glass, solid white glass. Haven't even opened it yet. It almost looks like a lotion. And we will be trying this tomorrow. Let's see if there's an ingredients list. Your goal, luminous glow. Our solution, vitamin C, ferulic acid, pineapple extract, papaya, and matcha. All right, ingredients. Glycerin, water, ferulic acid, vitamin C, pineapple extract, green tea extract, papaya extract, matcha tea extract. Okay. That, I mean, it has other things in there, obviously. I was just looking to make sure those ingredients were actually in here. But I'm very excited to try this. Another thing we got was a sample of their Curiously Clarifying Conditioner. I just started new hair care, so I'm gonna put this to the side. And then we have the Brightening Under Eye Super Green Hydrogels. This has caffeine and kale. Soothe and depuff your tired under eye area. That's exciting. And then we also got their Ultra Hydrating 12-Hour Face Moisturizer. Ingredients: water, safflower oil, shea butter, sunflower seed oil, rosewood oil, orange peel oil, mandarin orange peel oil, geranium oil, blackberry extract, a flower I can't pronounce, mushroom extract, turmeric extract, kale extract, spinach extract. Okay. Glycerin, aloe, other ingredients obviously. So this looks pretty good. One other thing, this is a new brand that I recently found at Walmart. I am all about affordable products, y'all. Just saying. This is the Earth to Skin Superfoods Starter Set. It has an exfoliating cleanser, a day gel cream, a overnight mask, and an eye cream. Blueberry cleanser, vitamin C gel cream, avocado overnight mask, and banana brightening cream. So, for obvious reasons, I'm not opening this because we have other products that I want to try first, and I'd rather try this as a set before I go in and obviously introduce them one every few days to make sure my skin doesn't have a reaction to it. Why don't we go ahead and take these off? Ooh. All right, guys, I'm going to finish the rest of my skincare, but I just wanted to make sure that we discuss the best way to go through and introduce new skincare into your life. And now remember, especially with any actives, always wait a day or two, preferably 3 or 4. I like to wait 3 or 4 just to make sure that my skin is not super irritated. Those masks actually feel really nice. Very soothing. That's beside the point. Okay. I will see you guys in my next video. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit the notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time. In the next video, we are talking about skincare supplements. So make sure you subscribe so that you can see that Skincare Saturday video. All right, guys.